Hi there! Are you struggling with a less-than-ideal credit score? Don't worry, you're not alone. We're here to help you fix your credit and boost your score. Disputing inaccurate information. This is one of the most effective strategies because many people have errors on their credit reports, like incorrect late payments, duplicate accounts, or outdated negative items. Negotiating with creditors and collection agencies. Sometimes, a creditor might be willing to remove negative entries from your report in exchange for payment or settlement. In some cases, you can even settle your debt for less than you owe. Negotiating successfully can have a big impact on your credit. Debt settlement and consolidation. Credit repair companies can help you negotiate with creditors to reduce your debt or create a more manageable payment plan. By doing this, you can improve your overall financial situation, and that can lead to a better credit score. Credit building tools. A secured credit card works by requiring a deposit as collateral, which then becomes your credit limit. Using this card responsibly and paying it off on time will help build positive credit history. Credit builder loans work similarly, helping you build your score through small, manageable payments. These tools are perfect for those starting from scratch or rebuilding after financial hardship. Credit monitoring and education. Credit repair services often offer monitoring tools to keep track of your progress and provide valuable insights into how you can continue improving your score. With regular monitoring, you'll be able to make better financial decisions and avoid mistakes that could harm your score. Are you ready to take control of your credit? Contact us